Hey, let S be real for a moment. You feel when audio just doesn't match the moment right. When an explosion hits and it S flat, or dialogue sounds distant, or music lacks presence. The Bar 700MK2 is for the kind of person who recognizes that good enough is just noise pretending to be sound and knows instantly when something real is missing. Before you go any further, check the current price and stock systems. This flexible and powerful Dante linger in the sweet spot forever. UV had that exact itch. You fire up a movie or game and something feels off. You hear it before you can describe it. The weight isn't there. The placement isn't sharp. The low end doesn't punch like it should. That S the signal UV outgrown compromise. Once you step up into a system that actually performs, you feel a kind of relief you didn't realize you were holding out for. You stop adjusting volume mid-scene and just become part of the moment. Turn this soundbar on and the room feels instantly bigger. It doesn't just push sound forward. Detachable speakers and Dolby Atmos give height and movement. Explosions have body. Dialogue stays anchored and crisp even when effects peak. Ambient cues drift around you instead of sitting in the front. And that 10 wireless sub-doesn't just bump it anchors the whole experience with bass that is deep, controlled, and right where it should be. Picture this: a blockbuster scene where you feel rain overhead, or a chase sequence where every footstep lands with precision in the space around you. Gaming sessions where positional cues actually help you react faster because audio placement feels intentional. Music doesn't just play, it fills the room with layers you didn't know you were missing. This isn't louder, it's immersive. And don't hang back waiting for prices to dip or stop to return later. Hesitation is exactly where future regret grows when you're still stuck listening to weak audio while everyone else is already living in sound that feels alive. You might wonder whether detachable speakers and Atmos really changed the game. Let me reframe that doubt. Once you feel true height and stage with crisp, controlled bass, anything weaker feels like listening through a veil. This system doesn't just place you in front of the story, it places you inside it. That's the kind of fidelity you don't just hear you live. The surprise benefit hits fast, it's effortless presence. You don't tweak settings endlessly. You don't chase modes. You just press play and the sound works with your space, your content, and your mood. That's the part that sticks with you. Depth that feels everywhere, dialogue that's clear and anchored, bass that's powerful without boom, height and movement you actually notice, sound that draws you in, not pushes at you. It needs room to breathe and show depth. Simple setups feel noticeably thin. Afterward there comes a point where you stop comparing specs and just choose the system that already feels right. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you think about later with regret. If it's available now, trust your instinct and make the move with confidence. Your future self, immersed in true sound, will thank you.